My dear cadets, welcome to you all at the virtual arena of Burishal Cadet College. Dear cadets, I am Jaidev Mondol, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Burishal Cadet College. Cadets, before going to my new class, I want to say you that the winter has come. You have to more conscious about the coronavirus. You have to know and you have to maintain the rules and regulations which are too much important for preventing this epidemic corona. For this, you have to wash hands with water and soap or sanitizer at least 20 seconds. Avoid contact with sick people. Don't touch eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. Don't eat raw food, truly cooked meat and eggs. Avoid contact with animals and animal products. Dear cadets, in this slide, you are observing some array which are straight line or curve. And if I tell you what is the figure of this curve, then you can easily tell that, sir, it is nothing but the curve of a parabola. This one, then this one is also another curve of a parabola. If I asked what is the name of this curve, then you can also tell this is a curve of parabola. And as by the same way, you also can imagine or realize that this is the curve of a parabola. But these two parabola and this two parabola makes another conics, and the name of that conics is nothing but hyperbola. Yes, cadet, today my topic is hyperbola. First of all, the learning outcomes. At the end of this class, you will be able to identify and write down the standard form of equation. Determine the equation of directrix. Find the coordinates of the hyperbola. Necessary formulae of hyperbola. These are very much important for you. There are two types of hyperbola. One is symmetric with respect to x-axis, another is symmetric with respect to y-axis. We will know the formula for this two type of hyperbola. Let's start. First of all, what is the coordinate of the center? Cadets, first of all, you have to know what is the standard form of the hyperbola. The standard form of equation of a hyperbola is x squared divided by a square minus y squared divided by b square equal to 1, or y squared divided by b square minus x squared divided by a square equal to 1. So, first of all, we will learn the formula. What are the formula? What is the coordinates of the center? The coordinates of the center is 0, 0, and for the equation y square divided by b square, this is also minus x square divided by a square equal to 1 is 0, 0. First of all, I will say all the formula related to the equation of standard form x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equal to 1. So I am repeating again. Coordinates of the center, this is 0, 0. Equation of transverse axis, this is y equal to 0. Equation of conjugate axis, this is x equal to 0. Length of the transverse axis, this is 2a. length of the conjugate axis, this is 2b, coordinate of vertex, this is plus minus a0, coordinate of focus, this is plus minus ae0, equation of lattice rectum, this is x equal to plus minus ae, equation of the directrix, this equal to x equal to plus minus a by e, length of the lattice rectum, this is 2b squared divided by a, eccentricity, this is e equal to square root of a square plus b square divided by a square, and distance between the vertices, this is 2a. If the standard form of the equation of a hyperbola is y square divided by b square minus x square divided by a square equal to 1, then coordinates of the center will be 0, 0. Equation of transverse axis, this will be x equal to 0. Equation of conjugate axis, this will be y equal to 0. Length of the transverse axis, this will be 2b. It was in this form of standard equation 2a, but if the standard form of equation is y square divided by b square minus x square divided by a square equal to 1, then it will be 2b. Length of conjugate axis, this is 2a. Coordinate of the vertex, this is 0 plus minus b. Coordinates of the focus, 0 plus minus be. Equation of the lattice rectum, this is y equal to plus minus b. Equation of directrix, this is y equal to plus minus b by e. Length of lattice rectum, this is 2a square divided by b. Eccentricity, this is denoted by e, and this e equal to square root of a square plus b square divided by b square, and the distance between the vertices is 2b. Now the distance between the foci, first of all I will tell you uh, the formula of the standard form of equation x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equal to 1. Then distance between the foci, this is 2ae. Distance between focus and corresponding directrix, this is ae minus a by e. Distance between directrix, this is 2a divided by e. Equation of asymptotes, this is y equal to plus minus b by a x. Equation of the tangent at the vertex, this equal to x minus x equal to plus minus a. Now, if the standard form of equation is y square divided by b square minus x square divided by a square equal to 1, then the distance between the foci will be 2b. Distance between focus and corresponding directrix will be be minus b by e. Distance between directrix, this will be equal to 2b divided by e. Equation of asymptotes, it will be y equal to plus minus b by a x, and equation of tangent at vertex, it will be y equal to plus minus b. Dear cadets, these are the formulae of hyperbola. You must memorize it, and you have to keep it in your mind. Without this, it is not possible to solve the problems. Dear cadets, now we will go to solve some problem. Our first problem is find the equation of the hyperbola which passes through the point 6, 4 and minus 3 1, whose center is at origin and transverse axis b along x-axis. Solution. So let us start. Let the equation of the hyperbola be x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equal to 1. The hyperbola, which is denoted by equation number 1, passes through the point 6, 4 and minus 3, 1. So cadets, easily you can put the value 6 in the place of x and 4 in the place of y. You get y square divided 6 square divided by a square minus 4 square divided by b square, this equal to 1. You know 6 squared is 36, so write 36 in the place of 6 x squared, and a square minus 4 square, this is 16 divided by b square equal to 1. This is marked as equation number 2. Again, you know the equation 1, that is the hyperbola denoted by the equation 1, passes through the point minus 3, 1. It is given in your question. By the same way, you have to put minus 3 in the place of x and 1 in the place of y, and putting that value, then squaring, easily we can get 9 divided by a square minus 1 divided by b square, this equal to 1. This is the equation number 3. Now, equation 2 minus 4 into equation number 3, and calculating this portion, easily you can get 16 minus 16 divided by b square plus 4 divided by b square, this equal to 1 minus 4, or b square equal to 4. Now, putting the value of b square in equation number 3, you can easily get 9 divided by a square minus 1 divided by 4, this equal to 1. So calculating this on, easily you can get a square equal to 36 divided by 5. So cadets, you observe, first of all, we suppose that the equation of the standard form of this equation of this hyperbola will be x square divided by a square, and x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equal to 1. Here we have already find the value of a square and value of b square. So putting the value of a square and b square in the equation number 1, easily you can get x square divided by 36 divided by 6 minus y square divided by 4 is equal to 1. Then simplify this, we get 5x square divided by 36 minus 4 minus y square divided by 4 equal to 1. I am repeating again, 5x square divided by 36 minus y square divided by 4 equal to 1. This is the standard, this is the equation of our required hyperbola, or this is the required equation of the hyperbola. Boys, I think you have understood it very well. Then another problem. The problem is, find the eccentricity and coordinate of OC of the hyperbola x square divided by 144, that is 144, minus y square divided by 25 equal to 1. I am repeating again, you have to find the eccentricity and the coordinate of OC of the hyperbola x square divided by 144 minus y square divided by 25 equal to 1. So start. Equation of the given parabola is x square divided by 144 minus y square divided by 25 equal to 1. You can easily write 144 equal to 12 square and 25 equal to 5 square. So easily you can write x square divided by 12 square minus y square divided by 5 square equal to 1. And I have marked this equation as the number 1. Now comparing this equation number 1 with x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equal to 1, we get a equal to 12 and b equal to 5. Boys, few moments ago I have told you what is the eccentricity of the hyperbola, which is denoted by E, and in that time I told you that E equal to square root of a square plus b square divided by a square. So putting the value of a square, b square and a square, you get square root of 144 plus 25 divided by 144. And calculating this on, and taking the help of calculator, easily you can find the value of E is 13 divided by 12. Now, what is the foci of the hyperbola? Boys, you know, according to the formula, the coordinates of the focus points are plus minus A0. So putting the value of A and putting the value of E, you get plus minus 12 into 13 divided by 12, comma 0, that is plus minus 13, 0. So here, one thing you have to mark that the standard form of the equation is of x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equal to 1, this type. So the eccentricity is square root of a square plus b square divided by a square. Otherwise, the eccentricity was changed. I think you have understood it. Another problem. Find the center, vertex, eccentricity, focus, axis, length of the lattice rectum, and the equation of the directrix of the hyperbola minus x square divided by 9 plus y square divided by 4 equal to 1. I am repeating again. We have to find the center, that is coordinates of the center, vertex, that is coordinates of the vertex, eccentricity, focus, that is coordinates of the focus, axis, that is equation of the axis, length of the lattice rectum, and equation of the directrix of the hyperbola minus x square divided by 9 plus y square divided by 4 equal to 1. So, solution. So start. We have given the equation is minus x square divided by y square plus y square divided by 2 square equal to 1, and this is the equation number 1. Now comparing this equation 1, that is comparing the equation of the hyperbola with the standard form, that is minus x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equal to 1, easily we can get a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Now centering of the hyperbola, now center of the hyperbola will be 0, 0, and vertex will be 0, comma plus minus b. So putting the value of b, easily we can get the coordinates of the vertex are 2, 0, comma plus minus 2. Again, if the eccentricity of the ellipse be e, then e equal to root over b square plus a square divided by b square. So it's marked this one. In our previous math, we wrote that e equal to root over a square plus b square divided by a square, but here, since the standard form of the equation is y square divided by b square minus x square divided by a square equal to 1, so the equation, so the eccentricity is square root of b square plus a square divided by b square. This equal to square root of 4 plus 9 divided by 4, that is e equal to square root of 13 divided by 2. So the foci is, that is coordinates of two focal point are 0, comma plus minus b, putting the value of b and putting the value of e. Here we get 0 plus minus 2 into root over 13 divided by 2, or 0 plus minus root over 13. Now length of the transverse axis, according to the formula, you know this is 2b. Putting the value of b, you get 2 into 3, that is 6 unit. And the length of the conjugate axis, this is 2a. Putting the value of a, you get this is 4 unit. Therefore, length of the lattice rectum, this equal to 2b square divided by a. Putting the value of b, that is 3, and putting the value of a, this is 2, we get 2 into 3 square divided by 2 You can cancel this 2 and 2, so 3 square equal to 9 unit. Now, what is the equation of the directrix? According to the formula, you know equation of the directrix is y equal to plus minus b by e. So putting the value of b and e, easily we get y equal to plus minus 2 divided by root over 13 divided by 2, or root over 13 y plus minus 2 equal to 0. Dear cadets, in this problem, we have discussed many things. I will suggest you to practice same type of problem from any textbook what you have. Now another problem. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose directrix is 2x plus y equal to 1, focus is on and eccentricity b root over 3. So let us start. Let the focus of the hyperbola be is on and equation of directrix mz m prime is 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Cadets, observe that here I have drawn a picture, and in this picture this on is the directrix whose equation is 2x plus y equal to 1. This is the point of focus point, that is focal point. This is s comma s on. This is the any point p on the hyperbola. Now let this is the pxi be any point on the hyperbola. By the definition of the hyperbola, you know sp equal to epm. So what is sp? Sp is the direct distance from the point s and p. According to the formula of distance, this is square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. And what is the value of eccentricity e? This is root 3, putting that value here. And what is the perpendicular distance of a straight line from a point pxy? You know this, the perpendicular distance of a straight line ax plus by plus c from a point x on y on is ax on plus by on plus c divided by root over a square plus b square. Applying that formula, here you can get 2x plus y minus 1 divided by root over 2 square plus 1 square. Then calculating this on, easily you can write x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. This is equal to 3 into 2x plus y minus 1 whole square divided by 5. That is, I have done squaring both sides. Now easily you can calculate this, and finally you will get 5 x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y plus 1. That is, first of all cross multiplication, then a minus b whole square, then this is also the formula a minus b whole square. This is equal to 3 into, applying the formula, first of all I have taken 2x plus y is a, and this is the b. Applying that formula, we get 2x plus y whole square minus 2 into 2x plus y plus 1 square. Then calculating this on, easily we can write x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y, and this 1 and 1 is 2 equal to 3. Again expanding the formula of a plus b whole square, 4x square plus 4xy plus y square, then minus 4x minus 2y plus 1. Then multiplying this portion by 5, we get 5x square plus 5y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 10. This is equal to 12x square plus 12xy plus 3y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 3. Then taking all the terms in at the left hand side and calculating this, we get 7x square minus 2y square plus 12xy minus 2x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. And this is the required equation of the hyperbola. Boys, though the problem is a little bit length, but the calculation is very easy. You have to practice it more and more. Dear cadets, till now I have discussed all the formulae of hyperbola. I have solved various type of problems of hyperbola. After that, if you have any query, if you have any question, please ask me in your comment section. Now it is time to take some homework. Your homework is find the axis, foci, eccentricity and latest rectum of the hyperbola 4x square minus 9y square equal to 36. And the second homework is find the axis, foci, eccentricity and latest rectum of the hyperbola x square divided by 9 minus y square divided by 16 equal to 1. You must practice it in your home. Dear cadets, at the very last time of my class, I want to say you again, you must wash your hands. Use a tissue for gloves. Avoid touching face. These are too much important for fighting against COVID-19. Thanks a lot.